Hey friends, if you want to know how you can change the taskbar alignment into the left, then please watch this video and I will guide you on how we can do that. So currently in my taskbar, the alignment is on the center. Now I want to make it to the left, or I want to change the taskbar alignment from the center to the left, or I want to put all of these taskbar icons into the left. So how can we do that? So just follow me. Click on the start button and go to settings. Now, in the list of options on the left pane, you have to click on the personalization. Now, scroll down and look for taskbar, taskbar behavior system pins. That's under start. Click on that. Simply scroll down and you'll find taskbar behaviors, taskbar alignment, badging, automatically hide, and multiple displays. Now, click on that. And here you will find taskbar alignment. Now currently we are in the center. The taskbar alignment is on the center. Now click on this drop down menu and you'll find the left option. So if you will click on left, then the taskbar alignment will be on left. So as you can see, and on how you can easily get into this window, right click at your taskbar and then select taskbar settings. And the same window will appear. You just have to simply click on taskbar behaviors. And then you will find here the taskbar alignment. So click on this drop down menu and you need to choose left if you want to make the taskbar alignment into the left. But if in some cases that you just want to make it to the center, then you can go ahead and click on center. But you just need to click on left if you want to make it to the left. So this is just a very simple process. So I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.